This is your basic upper body workout. First exercise, I's, Y's and T's. Stand up tall, step back into a lunge position. Arms come forward for I, out to the side for Y, and all the way out to the side for your T. Come back to the center. And T. Stand up, step back. Important that you keep your core nice and tight and that your eyes are looking down just in front of you to keep that nice neutral spine. Breathe all the way through. Keep it going. Now let's go into our active recovery. Basic windmills. Just arms going around and around, loosening up those shoulders as you give yourself a little rest. Our next exercise is tricep kickback. You're going to just stand, feet are together, tuck your arms into your sides, and just go ahead and push the arms back, extending the arms out behind you, activating the tricep muscles. Important thing is try and keep those elbows tucked into your sides as you push your arms back. I always like having a slight bend in the knees, nice athletic position, keeping your core muscles nice and tight. Go ahead and go back into that active rest windmills. Moving on to our next exercise, feet are together. We're going to go out to the side, a lateral raise, and then hands come up front for a front raise. So out to the side, and then arms up to the front. Keep your core nice and tight, and as you raise up to the front, you just want to come up to shoulder height, no higher than shoulder height. Every movement is slow and controlled. Keep it going. Active recovery windmills, nice big circles, really loosen off the shoulder muscles. This really works your core too. You should feel your abs working during this exercise. Our next exercise, let's take it down to the floor. You're going to get into a hands and knees position, and from here you're going to keep your core tight. You're going to go ahead and pull the elbow back. Like a rowing action, just really pulling the arm back to hip height. Keeping your body weight even between the knees and the hands. And remember, eyes are always looking just in front of the body to make sure you keep that nice neutral spine. Now come back up onto your feet for our active recovery. Those nice big windmills. Now let's take it back down to the floor into our push-up position. Today we're going to do a triceps push-up. So get into position, your core is tight. And this time what you want to do is bring your elbows towards the hips. This type of push-up really engages the tricep muscles, as opposed to the one where your arms are going out to the side. You're really working and focusing on the chest. Just go down as far as is comfortable. You can just do shallow ones right here. Or as you feel more comfortable, try to take that chest down towards the floor. Remembering to breathe. Coming back up onto your feet. Final recovery. Big arm circles across the body. Feel your core. Let's go into your power round where we do every exercise back to back. Standing up tall, lunge position, eyes wide T's. You know the moves now, so just focus on powering through. Now, straight into our triceps. Kick back. Remember keeping those elbows tucked into the sides. You should feel that tricep muscle working. Arms come up to the front, arms out to the side. We have our front raise and our lateral raise right here. Remember just bringing the arms up to shoulder height. Let's take it down to the floor. Hands and knees position, straight into our lifts. Pulling the arm back. Next move, those triceps push-ups into position. Elbows are going back towards the hips. Great job, you guys.